Okay, so let's discuss few examples on how it looks in chart. What are all the basic details which can be helpful from this TT band. So first of all, in the last video, if you have seen, I have mentioned about three bands. That is, one is this yellow colored one. Sorry, one is this green colored one. This green band, and the next is on the bottom is the red band, and one more thing is the M1, which I have marked here in a color called yellow color. Okay, so very simple. Now from coming days, probably from next tomorrow or next week, I'll be sharing different trade plans. How I personally focus to trade with different trade plans using this TT band, and on the Telegram channel during live market, I'll be updating whether the risk reward is favoring, how to approach and make use of the trade plan which I am sharing one day before on the post market, after the market trading session gets completed every day for the next trading session. So here very simple, this dotted white line which you could see is a simple previous day's low. So here what is happening? Price is opening here, that is price is opening inside yesterday's range, and price is trying to move down. So here price is trying to go away from this red zone, a red colored marked zone which you could see a red line. Price is trying to go away from the zone. So and what is happening? Immediately price is rejecting back, and price is engulfing the previous candle and reversing back above the band. So that means there is some information which is market is telling us. So here when the price is going moving away from this TT band, I'm not much interested in the price action, because either price has to come back to this TT band, the red colored band, and reject, then I'll be more interested, or else if price here reversing back aggressively like this, price is engulfing, then I'll be more interested. If price is just like this moving down away and away, means I'll be more comfortable to wait. It's not about price is moving down means I need to jump and take my bearish position or a put option. It's not such required, because remember one thing, we are trading in the market to make money. We are not trading in the market to trade every day, because in a month, even if you are taking 12 trades, 15 trades or 10 trades, in which you are focusing on high probability, high risk reward setup, and you are winning it, for example in 10 trades you are making 7 trades out of it as a profit, because it's every month all the trades which you take can't be profitable. There are minor stop loss which will get triggered. So I'm taking a rough example of a 70% accuracy scenario. In, let's say in this entire month I'm taking 10 trades, in which 7 is triggering my target and 3 is triggering my stop loss. With my risk reward is 1:2, 1:3. That means I'll be making fantastic money. Sir, there are 22 days in the session. So you are only focusing 10, taking trades on 10 days. What about rest 12 days? No problem. When I'm not aware of what is happening in the market, when the market is not giving me more opportunity with high risk reward, better to wait, because the money which you will be making in that 7 trade 10 trade in a month, that will be way better than trading every day, and you will be completely disturbed. One day you will make profit, one day you will make loss, profit loss, profit loss, more fluctuation, mind will be distracted, your mindset will be totally out of your control. That is, for a trader, mindset is just the important, the most important. So if price is going away, let it go away, no problem. We are not in a hurry. I'll be looking for any other zone. Where is the price? What is the reference level, etc., etc. I'll be updating if that case happens in the live market on my Telegram channel. The link is available in the description. So here, what is happening? Aggressively, price is reversing back, and it is closing above this red band. That means there is some aggressive buying pressure coming into play. So this will attract me to take my bullish position. It's not like in any other trading session Just like this, what traders do now, sir, you have told in this video, sir, price moving down, and if it reverse immediately above this red band means, in this video you have mentioned I would have taken a bullish trade. So any other day same pattern occurs, can we take a bullish trade? Don't ask this question. We are not trading the pattern, we are trading what price is reacting, how the price is reacting at various reference level, various zones, various TT band. Okay, it's not about pattern, it's practically reading the chart, understanding the trend, whether the market is in a mode of trending mode or a mean reversion mode or a failed auction mode or an aggressive momentum mode. There are various mode in the trend. It's not bullish, bearish. It's not just bullish or bearish. There are various mode. Based on the mode, I personally create my various trade plan, and during live market, I focus whether the trade plan is coming out, or I build further trade plan understanding whether market is providing any opportunity with higher risk reward. Okay, because what many call providers do means 22 trading session in a month, they will be dumping 22 trading calls, 22, 25, 30 trading calls, because they have, the user have paid for their call providing. That means every day they should provide trade. No, if you are focusing to trade every day in the market, let me tell you, you or any trader can never make money in the market unless until his or her trade setup is giving you a better risk reward. Try to understand. Okay, so here aggressively, this will attract me to take a bullish position and expect a target minimum till M1, or here M1 and green band is very close. I'll be expecting the target. First, initially, I'll be booking some profits here in the M1 and rest at this green band. So this is very important. So now what is happening? Again, look at closely. Same way, this is one way of approaching market, approaching this TT band, and very important, same scenario, price is going above this green band and reversing back down. So question here is, sir, will you take a short side trade here? No. Why? Because this is completely different. This is called aggressive price reversing back, aggressively price rejecting from lower level. That means aggressive buyers are trying to pump up in the market on the initial stage of the market, during the initial first 30 minutes of the market. But here, the price is moving down, look at it, is taking more than 1 hour of time with overlapping candle. I always make sure to stay away from the overlapping candle. I don't bother missing this trade or this down move, because my rule is I am not here to trade every move in the market. That is one more trader's mistake. One more trader thinks, sir, I want to trade this up move, sir. I want to trade this down move fully, sir. And I want to trade this up move and I want to trade this down move fully, sir. No, not at all possible. If anyone is telling you, don't get trapped. That is not possible to capture every move. We are here, I personally follow to capture the high probability, because trading is full of probability. That means it involves both profit and loss. So simple funda to become profitable trader is the money which you lose, or in a simple term, let's say you are making, when the trade, it's your target, let's say you are making 5,000. For a simple calculation, you are making 5,000. Okay, and when your trades hit your stop loss, you are losing only 2,500 rupees. That means here, if two continuous trade you are losing, still your net to net, you are not in a loss and not in a profit, you are at break even. Because when you are making big, and when you are losing small. Here I am not mentioning 5,000 is big and 2,500 is small. Look at in terms of percentage, look at in terms of ratio. When you are making, you are making 2 rupees. When you are losing 1 rupee. That is 1:2 risk reward. In a simple way, when you are making 5,000 in this example, and when you are losing 2,500 rupees. This is how trading works. That is what, everything is important when in terms of reading the price. So now you might have a question, sir, what is this band? How you are getting this band, etc., etc. It is purely based on price. Because in a simple term, in Gujarati, in a simple term, who are those who are trading for the past 30, 40 years, they will be telling Bhav Bhagwan che. That means price is God in the market. Simple. Whatever indicator this, that, everything is secondary. Price, what price telling you have to read the price. So to make it simple way, I have designed and make sure to came up with this band which is called as TT band, which has three zones. Few other zones are there. As I mentioned here, it is M1, right? There are few other zones, M2 on the upside and M3 on the downside, which I'll be explaining you if required during live market. If the market is approaching any of this zone or any possibility of approaching, then I'll be updating you that zones, and coming days I'll be every day updating the videos, so you'll be learning it in a different way and understanding things very differently. So same scenario, this is what I told, don't go with the pattern. So next day what is happening, price is coming outside this band and again trying to go back up. But what is happening here? This is not the same way it is approaching. Price is slowly trying to come down and slowly with overlapping here trying to go up. Okay, this is not the way. This is the reason I told, just don't blind shot trade in kind of a pattern. And very important is, this is all very important, when this band not only tells how to take trades, what is the direction, who is failing, etc., etc. It is all this information you will be getting from this band. Other than that, when not to trade, all that things, if I'm showing you on the live market, it will, you will understand in a more better way when not to trade. Because for an option buyers, many option buyer, they do this mistake, not understanding when not to trade. If you are understanding when not to trade, I will tell you 70% of your loss will be avoided. Minimum 70% when not to trade as an option buyer. Because for an option buyer, theta decay is enemy. If price not moving in your favor and if it is overlapping like this, means option premium will get eroded and you will get frustrated out of it. That is a danger sign. You have to make sure to avoid it. So this is just a small introduction about the TT band. This is three videos which I will make it in a playlist. If required in upcoming session, I will add on videos in this playlist only if required. But other than that, every day I'll be explaining various trade plans, how to react to a trade plans during live market. So make sure everyone join the Telegram channel, which is available. Link is available in the description without fail, because this is, it's not a joke, it's not time pass, it's pure price based trading.